In this video, I'm going to show you how to blur an image in CapCut step by step, using a really simple method that works fast and is perfect for beginners. If you want to hide details, create a soft background effect, or just give your image a cleaner edited look, this is an easy trick you can use right away. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut tips and editing guides. Let's jump right in. First, open CapCut and start a new project, or open the project you're already working on. Once you're inside the editor, import the image you want to blur. After that, drag your image onto the editing timeline so it's ready for editing. This is important because CapCut applies effects to the clip that's sitting on the timeline, so make sure your image is placed there before moving on. Now that your image is on the timeline, look at the top of the screen and go to the Effects tab. This is where CapCut stores all of its visual effects, including different styles of blur. When you click Effects, a menu will open with multiple effect options. From there, click on Video Effects. This section contains the effect categories that you can add directly to your clip. Next, use the search bar and type in Blur. CapCut should pull up the blur effect options available in the app. Depending on your version, you may see a few different blur styles, but the process is the same. Once you see the blur effect, click it and then drag the blur effect directly onto your image clip in the timeline. Make sure you place it on the clip itself so the effect actually applies to the image. After that, you should see the blur effect added to your image. You can click on the effect if you want to adjust its intensity or duration depending on how much blur you want and how long you want it to stay on screen. If the blur feels too strong, reduce the effect strength. If you want a more dramatic blurred look, increase it until it matches the style you're going for. This is a great technique for thumbnails, social media graphics, or any edit where you want to soften part of an image without starting over. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to blur in CapCut using a simple image effect. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to find it. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy editing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.